Hi folks, Richard here from Irish Pens. You're looking at our Woodland pen range pen set. What we've done here is we've taken together a Woodland fountain pen in titanium gold, as you can see, and we've married that with a Woodland rollerball pen in rhodium. Both pens are made using Irish elm. This elm was felled well over 30 years ago. It's burled elm, and we have added absolutely nothing to the colour of the pen. The pen it's turned, sanded and shined just so that we can protect and enhance the beauty of the manic patterns that you see in the burled elm, an extremely very rare wood, and a wood that we should use in a set like this, because this set is obviously to give to somebody for a very unique gift or a very special occasion or achievement in their life. So very briefly, the fountain pen has got a Peter Bock manufactured nib in the fountain pen. It takes an ink cartridge and it takes an ink pump, so you can use bottled ink if you wish. The rollerball is a Swiss-made rollerball refill. However, you can buy those refills in any good stationery stores in the country. We can engrave each pen for you if you wish, and basically if you want to engraving, hit the button there that says select for engraving. When you hit that button, and then on the cart page, when you hit add to cart, on the cart page is a box there, and in that dialog box put in the text you want for each pen, and also for the free personal note we put in with the pens. So that's our set. If you have any questions or queries about the product, please give us a call or send us an email. We'd love to chat with you. Thanks for watching.